today's video, I'm showing you how to make oat fufu. So what you need is oat and then blend it very smoothly. Next, pour it into the hot water and keep stirring it around just like the way you make your semo until it becomes hard. So this is another version of semo. If you are the type that love eating semo, I bet you are going to love this one. This is another delicious alternative for our African fufu and it's very easy to prepare. Once you're done, place it in a plastic foil and wrap it around and then serve it with a soup. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one. Bye.